Hello, partner. Welcome to TBO. Let me walk you through the booking queues, where you can efficiently manage your bookings. To fetch the bookings made by you, head to the Queues option and click on Bookings. We do provide a quick filter option to search your bookings. Use any one of the options to quickly find your booking. The unique option which we provide here is you do not have to reach out to the support team and explain the booking concern. Just search your booking in which you want to raise a request by clicking on Raise a Request option. Choose the criteria to raise a request from the following options, as we have covered you with all the major concerns. To make a modification in date, nationality, guest name, or want to raise a request to modify the room type, just head to Amend or Modify Booking option provided here. As per your client's request, update the details in this amendment request form and send us the request, and our operations team will connect with you on priority. Want to add or modify special request? Simply click on this tab. As per the desired request from your client, update here and kindly note all the special requests are subject to availability upon confirming with hotel. To raise a query related to payment or meal price, head to this Booking Issues tab. Select the query type from the drop-down options and hit Submit. Our dedicated operations team will respond to the concern with a solution. Want to reconfirm your future dated booking? Click on this option, and the request for hotel confirmation number will be prioritized, as the confirmation number are updated against the vouchered booking initially. Want to check about your reward points or have any other query? Head to this option. Select the query type from the drop-down options provided, such as refunds, reward points, or sightseeing-related queries, and hit Submit. Want to view the requests which you have raised? Click on View My Requests option here. You will see all your requests in this tab and track the progress of the raised requests. And that's it. Enjoy and explore all the options today. Book with TBO Holidays to have hassle-free experience.